class 9 OR and NOR gate. 7432 and 7402 numbers. Okay. So the pin diagram is similar to the last experiment gates. 1, 2 input, 3 is output. 4, 5 input, 6 is output. 7 is grounded, used for ground, 0 volt. Then you see in the last experiments also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 7. It is not 8, 9, 10. It is 8 here output, 9, 10 here input. Okay. Because you see, it does not proceed like this. See, it comes down, and then here it is mirror image, not moving in the same anti-clockwise direction. Hence, 8 is output, 8, 9, 8 is output, 9, 10 input. We should take care. Similarly, 11 is output, 12, 13 input. OR symbol is plus. So OR function is when both the inputs, when any one of the inputs is high, output will be high. It is like this. OR function. Okay, if you want to purchase some goods, you have to pay either by cash. Say A input is for cash, B input is for check. You have to pay either cash or check, or you can pay by both. Rest of everything is very much similar to the previous one. Now next is NOR gate. NOR gate is complement or reverse opposite of OR gate. NOR means not OR. NOR means not OR. Not means opposite. So in NOR gate, you have a bubble to the OR symbol, and the symbol is like D. See here, D. You can see it is D. NAND means not AND. So D and a bubble. OR means like this. NOR means OR with bubble. See, NOR gate is a little bit different structure. One is output, 2, 3 input. See, one is on the right hand side, 2, 3 are at inputs. Because it is upward, the output is upward. See here, it is downward. NOR 7402 is upward. Why they have manufactured differently is mostly because it is comfort and it becomes cheaper or the size gets smaller. Maybe exactly, I don't know. Anyhow, you should know the pin configuration properly. So one is output, 2, 3 input. 4 is output, 5, 6 input. 7 is grounded. Next, not 8, 9, 10. 10 will be here because again mirror image. So 10 will be output, 8, 9 input. So like that. See, 7402 is called as quad 2 input NOR gate. Quad means 4. So there are 4 gates. 4 gates are NOR gate. Each gate is a NOR gate having 2 inputs. 2 inputs. All the previous gates also quad 2 input gates. Since it is not of OR, to the A plus B symbol, we have a bar. A bar is placed. Right.